Okay, we're here at 132 Poinsettia Avenue in Monrovia. Now, we're here to check the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in these two. It's like a triplex over here. We're here to check the main line, and this inspection is based on my opinion. So for the back units, there are no cleanouts available, so we're actually running the camera from the roof vent. And we've located the sewer line where it comes out of the house. We're going to recommend a cleanout be installed over there because there's roots over there. And it goes all the way down. Now we're almost right at the property line underneath the asphalt driveway where we've come to very heavy roots in the line. Cannot get our camera through here. So we're going to bring the camera back. You can see there's a pretty heavy root over there that's preventing us from going through, and you see how it takes a couple of turns over there. So the root's coming in at an angle where we cannot push our camera through the line. Now you're going to see that there are some roots in the clay pipe, pretty much at almost every single joint almost. These are nothing really big or anything. These can be cleaned out or anything. But a big root all the way down on the bottom, that definitely is probably going to need to be a clean out installed there. Now you can see their roots over here, and that's why we're definitely going to recommend that a clean out be installed where the pipe exits the units at the back here. Now there's a slight possibility that if you put a clean out at the back and we hydrojet the line, we'd have more of a chance of getting our pipe line all the way through to the connection in the street. We will try from a roof vent in the right over here. This is okay. Go forward a little bit. This is where we're going to recommend a clean out be installed, where the pipe exits the back units. Right over here, you see there's roots there. Okay, let's bring the camera back. So it comes back now to cast iron pipe that actually appears to be in pretty fair condition. You can see it has some minor rust buildup in it. It doesn't look too bad though. We always recommend never to flush tampons, baby wipes, paper towels, things like that. Okay, so here it's going to come up the roof vent. Okay, so here we are on top of the roof. I'm going to pause the recording. Okay, so what we're doing right now is we're running the camera from the roof vent on the front house. We pretty much reached the same spot as where we couldn't push the camera any further, which is close to the property line. Now you're going to see that you just come back very slow. Okay, this is where the big root was in the line over here. Just go forward just a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, stop. Okay, so we cannot get our camera past this spot over here. I'm going to bring the camera back. Now you can see that's a very heavy root over there, and that's what we saw from the other side. Now, as we come back in this 4-inch clay pipe, which exits the front house, this appears to be in pretty fair condition. And then it's going to come here. Right over here, there's possibly a clean out over there where the pipe exits the house. Now, as it comes underneath the concrete slab over here, this cast iron is definitely getting a little bit more rusty. There's no doubt about it. A little worse than the back unit. The front unit's definitely got some rust buildup in it. Now, what we'll do, once we stop the recording, we'll try to poke around in the front to see if there's the cleanhouse accessible, and maybe we could continue the inspection from there. Now, here we come up the roof vent over here. Okay, so here we are on top of the roof. We're just going to go ahead and so anyway, this inspection is done by Sewer Line Video. We're going to stop the recording over here.